Kev.
Uh,
Kev.
uh,
Wake up.
Why?
It's Sunday.
Let me rest.
It's Palm Sunday.
Already?
Every day. If you watch our Ken Quickie series on a Tuesday, we did one on grips, but we're just going to reiterate those in a little bit more depth. So this will be the standard grip, so it's in the middle. This one's got some nice extensions either side, so I could use these for striking, for hammering, and my personal favourite, hammer through, and I've got these hooking motions for trapping as well. So that is a go-to grip. You then have this grip, where it goes rests between your fingers. So this is good for smashing down onto people's faces, top of the nose, pressure points here, or for grabbing a wrist and applying some extra pressure on wrist locks as well. If you're not very comfortable with this grip, this isn't a go-to grip for me. It's quite awkward. The smaller ones, it works brilliant if you've got your tactical pen, because it's nice and thin. So this really enhances that. So your stick will determine your strike as well.
I think for the steel fan, that's going to hurt me a lot more than it's going to hurt the person.
Yeah.
Personally, I've got fairly small hands. I can feel it biting in between the fingers. Not a grip I'm comfortable with. Probably not a grip I'd use.
Yeah. We have the thumb on top grip. So this is ideal for grabbing hold of bits of skin and pinching and twisting, pinching and rolling across digits. For those of you who are familiar, spleen 11, which is the pressure point on the inside of the thigh. If you can pinch that one with one of these, you will see people extend about an extra 6 inches into the air and not be happy with you.
Save you having lifts in your shoes.
Precisely. Okay. There's double-handed grips, so I have this grip for when I'm applying locks and chokes, and then I have these grips for applying pressure, applying pressure points for takedowns, lock-offs, that kind of thing as well. But this isn't a definitive list. There are more grips that you can use and lots of different ways to apply that grip to different situations. So don't take this as a full list. This is a beginner's guide at the moment.
With the fan, Chris's palm sticks equal on both sides. I've got a nice weighty part on the base of the fan, but on the tops they're thin and malleable. So for myself, I wouldn't be striking with this. I'll slash with it, but not strike. This would be the end I'll use more than this end.
Okay. If you do want to do a slash with these, it's quite difficult, but with the same grip, you've got very good prodding motions. So with Kev, it'll be for that motion, or using the back end as it's closed to come through, and this is also very good for doing our infamous
Taps.
taps.
Thanks for watching. We hope you like. Drop us a line down below.
As usual, please subscribe if you haven't done so already. Don't forget to ring the bell so you can get notifications, and don't forget to free the fear.